in maybe tomorrow, my colleague Dmitry Schultz will describe in more detail which methods are included in the platform. And another important thing, that sometimes it is very important to have, along with tools, some predefined models. Prognos also provides country-level economic models. For example, we have models for Eurozone, for some European countries, for United States, for China. We have a set of regional models, models for different industries, and models for companies. Let's move to another trend. It's analytics in cloud. I don't want to explain what is cloud technologies is. Everybody knows that. I just want to demonstrate Prognos example of cloud-based analytical service. It is called Data Portal. It is a single window access to different data and different analytical capabilities at the same time. So this data portal includes is based on a huge data warehouse. Some figures that characterize this data warehouse are given on the screen. So 500,000 indicators, more than 500 reports, more than 90 data sources. And this data warehouse and the data portal itself, they are deployed in the data center. And users can get access to this data warehouse via internet on a subscription basis. So business users who are looking for diverse information and for analytical capabilities, they don't need to allocate capacities, they don't need to think about hardware, to think about how to gather data, how to transform this data to unified format. Everything is already done in Data Portal, and let's show how it works. So this is the home page. Again, we first of all need to sign in. And then we are coming to the search page. Here we have search, a la Google. We can here search any information we want. We can filter it by data providers, by regions, countries, by topics. So let's see what, for example, is available for France. And let's type one indicator. For example, production of wine. So let's search and let's see what is available for wine production in France. So system gave us some results. Data Portal gave us the snapshot of the data. Right here we can choose some other countries, for example Italy and Spain, and compare production of wine in these three countries in dynamics. For deeper analysis, we can go to our time series module that I've already shown, and here to work with the data deeper, to apply some operations, methods, to forecast these indicators, and so on and so forth. So this is an example of cloud-based solution that provide at the same time data and at the same time analytical functions, and allows users just to buy subscription and to use this application. The next trend is not only tools but solutions. Based on experience of our company, today we provide a set of ready-made and semi-made solutions for different sectors. For example, for government sector, we have such solutions for different types of agencies. For example, state budget analytics for public financial organization, customs analytics or customs risk management for customs services, data management tool for statistical agencies. For financial sector, we have a number of solutions for central banks, for development banks, and we also have such solutions for different types of corporations, different industries. The important thing that all of them are based on Prognos platform. All of them are closely integrated with each other and contain not only tools but also built-in reports, models, and algorithms. And the last trend is mobile analytics. So advantages of this functionality is very clear. All of us want to have key figures, key information every time at hand. When we are in the office, when we are in the plane, waiting in the conference room for the beginning of some meeting and would like to refresh information in our mind. And let me show one example of such application from Prognos. I will plug in my tablet. I would like to show one example of such application, mobile application, developed by Prognos for the World Bank. This application is called Data Finder. It actually now is available in the App Store, and any users could freely download it and try to use. The aim of this application is provide access to the data on different statistics, national, regional, global indicators compiled from different data sources. Sorry. And let me show a couple of functions that are available in this application. So we can search our data by country to choose countries and to see what is available. We can search data by topic. We have a set of topics here, for example, economy, states and markets, population, and to choose number of indicators to analyze. We can also build some flexible queries here using Explore module. Here we can define more flexible structure of the report, periods, indicators, countries. And let's see example of, for example, analysis by country. Let's see what we have for France. Let's filter by country, click France. And now the system will give us some data that we have for different indicators about France. Global indicators such as population, GDP growth, GDP per capita, some indicators about environment, for example, electricity production, energy use, economic indicators, inflation, and let's choose one, for example, number of internet users in France. Let's see it on chart. Okay, we now get in the chart with dynamic of internet users in France. And here we can, right here we can try to compare this indicator with some other, with this indicator in France with some other countries, for example, Germany, for example, India, and any other countries. So actually all the capabilities that are available in Prognos platform, in web-based application or in desktop application, they're also available here in mobile extension. And for example, now we can send this our finding to colleague, to a partner, to client, to add some comment. So this is the capabilities for collaboration with this data. So actually, what I've tried to show to you in the past half an hour are, first of all, our vision and vision of experts on the key trends in the business analytics space, and how Prognos platform and how applications based on Prognos platform reflect to these trends. I'm ready to answer your question if you have some. Thank you for listening.